So we're going to, oops, if we've got that in camera, it's a bit difficult. It's a Midland 42DS, which we've, if you watched a tune-up video, it's customer set. We've not ever covered this before. And what I've done, I've connected it to the roof aerial as ever, up through its umbilical cord, rather than the socket on the top. Now, this cord is more lossy than the one on the top, so this is going to be an interesting result. If this is rubbish, if this result is rubbish, then we'll do another on the air test tomorrow, and we'll do it with the antenna connected into the top, which is the better way to do it. But I want to do it through the umbilical cord because that's the way people are expecting to use it. So we're on channel 31 UK as usual. I don't know whether whether you can lock it on its display. I don't think you can. The customer's also sent a Baofeng speaker mic, which aren't that good at the best of times. I might dig it up and try it at the end and just see what it sounds like into our base station. But they usually sound pretty poor even on the product they're intended for. So I'm going to have to kind of lift this up and talk into it. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, receiving loud and clear.
Roger, okay, I'm on the Midland.
Yeah, roger that, just coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you the end of the lane.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Okay, Roger, got you at Ancaster service station. The connector I've got this plugged into, you've got the umbilical cord, which gives less power out because I expect the cord's lossy. So this radio is actually doing 2.5 watts through that cord. If I got it plugged into the top socket, then the radio would be doing 3 watts. So we'll see how we go over.
Roger. Not very loud to me, but that's probably because it's not, you're holding it handheld, yeah?
Roger, instead of coming into the camera, I'll talk into it properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, over.
Yeah, roger that, sir. Going through Ancaster Crossroads even, not the service station, big past that.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
We're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, I'm receiving you very well at Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Are you receiving me on the 2 watts or whatever it's doing over?
Yeah, to be honest, it's pretty good considering.
Excellent, thank you.
We're now going over Wilsford level crossing, over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger that. Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Now passing the Greyleaf turn, over.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn, over.
Yep, roger that. Yeah, 21 from Mr. Chippie, now going over Wilsford level crossing, over.
Roger, got you over Rawsby level crossing. That concludes the test, thank you. There's a parcel in the car to go, Roger.
Yep, roger, I've got that, so I'll be delivering it shortly.
Okay, 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Right, well that worked very well because we were lossy with this umbilical cord, 2.5 watts or 3 if we'd have used the top connector. So that worked remarkably well. The sensitivity is really excellent because usually at Greyleys he's pretty ropey, but he isn't, and we know this cord's lossy. So the super sensitivity of the radio makes up for that nicely. So we won't need to repeat the test with another one tomorrow. What we will do is we'll go over to our base station, see what it sounds like, and I'll just see whether that Baofeng mic is compatible and how dreadful it sounds.
Tango 21 testing the Midland Alan 42DS into our Harrier CBHQ base station, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is with the built-in microphone. I'll just plug in this Baofeng one and see whether it works.